The tip today, whether it's single family or commercial, apartment complexes, self-storage, senior living, whatever, always do your rehab up front. Always get a loan for the purchase price and the rehab all in one loan and repair that property up front the day you buy it. Have you ever heard people say, man, rental real estate doesn't work. I never made any money. I'm going to tell you exactly why they never made any money. They didn't rehab the property up front. They thought in their mind that they were going to eke the repairs out of the positive cash flow. So let's take a single family house and let's say that it needs $40,000 for a complete rehab. They're making $500 a month in positive cash flow. Do you realize that would take 80 months to rehab? 80 months, 6-7 years to rehab. And what's the problem? It's ready for another rehab at the end of 6 or 7 years. Makes no sense whatsoever. And here's what that same person will say. Man, I never made a dime. Real estate doesn't work. No, they did it wrong. They didn't know what they were doing. They did it incorrectly, and then they're bragging about it. Watch out for listening to failures. People who fail at stuff have a tendency to talk more than people who succeed. People who succeed don't talk that much because it comes across as bragging. In our society though, if someone fails at something, they can talk about it all day long and we get in the conversation with them and agree with them and blah, 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 blah. Stop listening to failures. Go find successful real estate investors and imitate them. Listen to them. When I buy a house, I do the $40,000 rehab up front, day one, and I have a perfect property for the next 6-7 years. And by the time it's ready for rehab again, I'm ready to sell. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.